Hey lovelies, Sandra Ivy Rose here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful 3 candle pillars using Dollar Tree's tumbling blocks. For next week, let me know. Comment down below if you want me to show you how to make this glam table using mostly Dollar Tree items. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start out by using Dollar Tree tumbling blocks, and I'm using also Dollar Tree wood glue. And we are going to put together 3 tumbling blocks to make a little rose. And throughout the video, we're going to see how we connect all these pieces together. The wood glue tends to leave a lot of residue, so that's why I'm wiping it down with a towel. Next, we're going to make the top part of our pillar. And what we're doing here, we are gluing together 5 pieces of tumbling blocks to make one row. And then we're going to glue together another 5 pieces of tumbling blocks together, so for a total of 10. And you'll see it here how I do it. Hey guys, well, if it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome to the family. I love to have you here. And all my returning subscribers, thank you for watching my videos. And if you haven't gotten a chance yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing. It's free. And don't forget to click on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I upload on a weekly basis. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. So we need a total of 10, like I mentioned, for the top of the pillar and for the bottom of the pillar candle. So we're continuing to build our top layer and bottom layer. Now we're getting ready to glue the top part of the pillar candle together. Our top and bottom part of the pillar candles are all ready. Next, we're going to build our little boxes together. Here, you see I'm trying to glue, but I did make a mistake. As you can see, I'm going to wipe it off and glue it properly. So you want to form little boxes, but you want to put the 2 sides on the outside of the base, as you can see here in the video. And the top part go in between the sides. And for the tall candle, you're going to need 4 boxes of 3s. In the video, I'm only showing you how to construct the tall pillar candle. The other 2, I went ahead and did it off camera, but you just use 1 less. So the tall candle, I use 4. The middle candle pillar I'll use 3, and the smallest one I'll use 2 boxes. So now we're going to stack the boxes on top of each other. Okay, now we're going to be adding the top part of the pillar candle, and I'm just applying the glue and laying the top part on top of it. Now I'm going to lay the bottom part and flip it over to adjust it. I went ahead and made the 2 other pillar candles off camera to save on time. Okay, there goes our 3 pillar candles. To fill in the gap, I applied spackle from Dollar Tree and sanded down. We're getting ready to paint with our Waverly chalk paint. It's called Plaster. After the paint has fully dried, we're going to bling out this piece. So we're using this blingy silver wrap, and basically I just cut it to size, and then I'm going to put it on each side of the pillar candle, as you'll see here. And on the side there, I'm using these 1-inch mirror tiles I got from Amazon, and the bling wrap as well, and I'm just attaching them and keeping them in place there. So we are continuing with the blingy. I'm using the same blingy sticker thing I got from Amazon, and I'm just cutting it to size and line it around the perimeter of the base there. I'm lining the base of the pillar candle with the 1-inch mirror tiles as well. So I'm using another sticker paper, contact paper. Actually, it's contact paper, and I'm putting it on the other side of the pillar candle. So 2 sides will have that sticker paper on it, as you see here. The top part of our pillar candle, we're going to use these adhesive mirror like stickers, and I'm scoring it to the size that I need, and I'm going to be applying it right on top. Okay, next I have these sticker rhinestones. They're not really rhinestones. I don't know what they are, but I got it from Hobby Lobby. And what I'm going to do is line the perimeter of the mirror just to hide some imperfections. In addition to that, we're going to continue to put the mirror tiles around the top part of our pillar, just like so. Next, we're going to be working on the glass candle holder. I got that from Hobby Lobby. And basically what I'm going to do to glam this up is put the same mirror tiles around the perimeter of that candle, the glass candle holder. Alright guys, we are all done. I think it came out simply gorgeous. Beautiful. Well, let me know what you guys think. It can be used as a gift for wedding, birthdays, etc. In the comments, let me know where would you place these beautiful candles. Don't forget to comment down below if you want to know how to make this glam table for next week. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.